I'm going to take you through 500 Canal View. As you can see, 2020 capital projects include additional landscaping, improvements on roadway, signage, and lighting. The building's broken up into 5 segments. The yellow segment, Tenant A, approximately 21,000 square feet. Tenant B, the orange space, approximately 26,000 square feet. Green space, Tenant C, approximately 18,000 square feet. Tenant D, the blue space, approximately 17,000 square feet. And Tenant E, the pink space, approximately 12,000 square feet. The building is a mix of office, flex, light industrial space. As you can see, it features a huge, large open office space area. When the drop ceiling is taken out, ceilings can be up to 20 feet high, giving you the ability to do a mix of both flex, light industrial, and office. Throughout the space, it has a mix of open areas, offices, bathroom facilities, and a lot of power, giving the building a large ability to serve many uses. As you can see, this large section has 2 loading docks. "20-foot ceilings, spread out columns, and the ability to convert more office space into a warehouse type space.